Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite Card, my honest review, and user experience. If you travel often, you've probably seen the Scotiabank Passport Visa Infinite Card praised for its no foreign transaction fees. But is it really worth the annual fee? After using it for over a year, here's my honest review. Most people overlook how much they lose on foreign currency markups, usually around 2–5% per transaction. The surprising truth is that this card completely removes that fee, saving frequent travelers hundreds every year. You earn 2 scene points per dollar on groceries, dining, and entertainment, and 1 point on everything else. Redeeming points for travel is straightforward. You simply apply them as a statement credit against travel purchases. I also love the included benefits: 6 free airport lounge visits annually through Priority Pass, comprehensive travel insurance, and strong purchase protection. The welcome bonus was another highlight: 30 scene points after meeting the initial spend, worth about in travel value. On the downside, the annual fee might feel steep if you don't travel frequently. But if you use the lounge access and no foreign fee benefit even twice a year, it easily pays for itself. In my experience, this card strikes the perfect balance between rewards and real-world value. It's ideal for travelers who want premium perks without sky-high fees. If you're loyal to Scotiabank or just want a smart travel card, the Passport Visa Infinite definitely earns a thumbs up.